Hello viewers. In the previous video, we talked about the comma. If you haven't watched that video, then click on the right corner of this video. Today we'll move forward and discuss the sign of apostrophe along with the parenthesis. Dear viewers, the punctuation mark of the apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of a letter or letters. We omit letters, especially when we make contractions. A contraction is a short form of a word or combination of words that are often used instead of the full form in spoken English. Look at the following contractions and their full forms. Will not is shortened to won't. Do not is contracted to don't. The short form of I have is I've. The apostrophe is used to make the possessive case of a noun, as in, Aslam's pen is broken. School's peon is on 2 days' leave. Aeroplane's one engine caught fire. It is used to form the plural of letters and figures, as illustrated in the following examples. In the name, Philip, there are 2 PS. In the name, Mohammed, there are 3 MS. Add 2 5s and 4 2s. Let us move to parenthesis now. Parenthesis is a word, phrase, or clause inserted into a sentence, as an explanation or afterthought. It is placed inside the round brackets. Remember, when a parenthesis is removed, the surrounding text is still grammatically sound and correct, as we will see in the example that follows. He gained from heaven, it was all he wished, a friend. As said earlier, the sentence will remain grammatically intact even the parenthesis is removed, as, he gained from heaven a friend. This was all for today's lecture. See you in the next video, till then bye bye. But wait, before leaving, subscribe to English Language and Literature and hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any updates.